It's noon time na po mga kabalen. Mayapat kat panapon kayo. Ako po ang yung lingkod Ryan Parof for Game 3 of 6 dito sa Delta Cup. Let's review our games kanina. First game nanalong San Fernando laban sa Candaba 100-72. At kanina lang Aparit demolished San Simon 75-54. Our game at hand, it's gonna be Angeles versus Porac. Porac with a 1-win, 1-loss record. Angeles with a 2-win, no-loss record. But ang magiging istorya dito matagal na silang hindi nakakalaro. The last game that they played was on December 5. Especially for Porac, na isa sa mga players na ating watch out is si Gigante. Gigante hit the game-winning triple noong November 5 pa against Lubao, and they won it in a very close match. So we can expect it's going to be a slam bang affair. Porac versus Angeles coming up next. Alright, we're a few moments away for the start of the first quarter at ito na ang first five of both squads in Angeles and Porac. For Porac, we have Rodriguez in a point guard position to bang in a off guard position. Cruz in a small forward, power forward is Vasquez, and the center is Ocampo. For Angeles City, hands-on in the point guard position, Lakin Danum on the shooting guard. Nako small forward, Escatilla, and power forward and center is Martinez. Our referees for this third game is the referees that we have in the first game. Yan po ay si nagkapalit sila, no? Nagkapalit sila si ano na po. Willie Hibe is our crew chief, Noel Menchero and Martin Escalambre. First possession for the white shirts of Porac. They're wearing in white. Angeles wearing in red. Rodriguez, hindi pumasok kaniyang 3-point shot. Drop pass. Malakas. Isa pa kay Cruz. Ayaw. Great timing defense by Porac. Or rather Angeles. 3-point shot. It goes out. So mamaya makikita natin ating player to watch para sa Porac is gonna be Gigante. Mamaya yan. Once he check into our ball game. Rodriguez drive. Thwarted. Natumba si Rodriguez. And Angeles has the letter. Inside track. Hang time. Yes, sir. Meron tayong foul away from the play. It's a foul against Estabilia. First personal. So, papunta na tayo sa ating kalahating portion ng ating 6-game broadcast. Yun, nakapasok sa loob ang Porac. Ocampo. The big guy is scoring. 2-all is their count. Almost a turnover. And they have 16 seconds on the shot clock. Martinez. Nilabas. Ikot ang bola. 3-pointer. Ayaw. Rebound control by Porac. Nakagaw dito ng Angeles. And here's the drop pass. Yes. On the other end of the floor, Rodriguez with a hang time move. Wala. Put back inside the paint. Yes. So you're going to expect that these teams will play fast once they have the opportunity to score. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Tumatakbo ang Porac. Ito na naman ang fast break. May foul. Tubangi will shoot 2. At ang foul na matatawagan ay si Henson. First personal on Henson. It's going to be 2 free throws for the offended party. Don't forget, yung mga mahihilig sa mga marathon, February 4, also the 7-Eleven Fun Run. So go to the 7-Eleven Facebook page for more details. And since ito'y Game 3 na, in just a few minutes, I'm gonna check our games dito sa Sinag Liga Asia for our quarterfinal pairing for this afternoon dyan sa One Arena. Pumasok ang unang free throw. Second free throw is good. 6-4 na. Porac up by 2 points. 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Looking around, shopping around. Here's Enson. Binigay sa kaliwa. Oh, that's a bad pass. Hindi nakuha ni, I think, no, number 22 yung bola. Pero that one batted away by Martinez. It will stay with Porac and Rodriguez will inbound from the backcourt. Wala pa pong team fouls ang Porac. Meron na pong dalawa ang Angeles. Ayun yung sinasabi ko kanina, Estabilio. Nakakaw dito ang Porac. Estabilio inside the paint. Yes, sir. 6-all ang ating talaan. Rodriguez will drive. Here he comes. Look at that. He really takes flight. 8-6 our scores. 7:17 remaining in the first. Edson momentarily open. The lob. Martinez almost made it. Via reverse. No. Go for the third serving. Estabilio, bounce pass, intercepted. Fast break. Rodriguez again. (10-6) Porac. Jumping the gun. Enson. Estabilio. Low post play. Here's the drop. Martinez misses. Porac clears the board once again. 6:27 sa ating first quarter. 10 to shoot. Here's the drive. Here's the drop. Inside is going to be traveling. Alright, meron tayong substitution para sa Angeles. Upo muna si Martinez. 6:16 remaining first. And lamang dito ang Porac laban sa Angeles. Baku misses from 3-point region. Rebound controlled by Porac. 15 to shoot. Is swinging around on the left side. Ito na ang drive. Undergoes stab. Vasquez cans it. 12-6 now. It's a 6-point Porac lead. 5:40 in the first. Estabilio, Fontalason to the basket. Drops it up. Pump fake. Release. Foul. It's going to be 2 free throws for the offended party. Lacindano will take 2. Yun, pwede yun. Pwede pan-distract yung mga drum, pero hindi pwede yung trompeta, di ba? Sobrang ingay yung trompeta, nakaka-distract sa player. Yes, Lacindano will be tested. Split. (12-7). Beautiful shot! How he did that to Mangi. Katangi-tanging galaw. Direk, I want to see the replay of that. That's a beautiful shot. Woo! That's after the free throw goes for the break, went berserk, and hey, he made it so nonchalantly good. Wow. Well, probably on the first quarter highlights, makikita natin yan. Ang gandang-gandang galaw yun ng Tumangi. Baco will shoot one more on the free throw line after that last foul. Split for Baco. Once again, Porac. This time they missed a golden opportunity to score on the trail. Henson for three. Bounces out. And here comes Porac on the one. Rodriguez misses. Pot back. He got it. And Porac running amok on the break. 14-8. Or now 16-8 with 4:51. And we have a ceasefire. (16-8). It's an 8-point lead for Porac. Kala nyo, referee lang may pito, ako rin eh. Anyway, I want to make sure that we're not gonna be late on our call time. Alright, back to live action. Angeles still down by 8 points. A lot of missed shots sa loob. That's a long three. Wow! 5 points for Tumangi. Boy, this kid is special. He might have a breakout game today. I can tell. Rejection. Rodriguez, that's too fast. Hindi ko kaya yan. Sobrang bilis ng talbog ng bola. (1980s) I count. 4 minutes to go in the first quarter. From the corner to the right wing. Angeles tried to take the passing lane as De Guzman misses the open three. But they get the ball back. Estabilio batted away. This guy is very good in stymie defense. But he broke loose and lost control of the leather. Vasquez, a very good defender. As the breakaway layup missed. But he will take two. That's Estabilio. Tumangi will be called for his first personal foul. Estabilio makes the first. This is game 3 of 6. We still have 3 more games to play. Estabilio makes both 19-10. 3:33 remaining. It's going to be an instant foul given up by the Guzman. Okay, backcourt inbound. White shirts now with possession. Inside. The reverse. No. De La Cruz or De Guzman sprinting down court for Angeles. Takes flight. Lays it in. Napakaraming players sa larong ito na talagang lumilipad. Cruz pounding its way. Rims out. Vasquez keeps it alive for the white shirts. Traveling. Seven-point Porac lead. Under 3 minutes remaining. Alley-oop to perfection. Nakabawi doon ng Angeles. De Jesus with the basket. Or is it De Guzman? Nice passing play. Vasquez scores. Ocampo with the assist. Si De Jesus yun. Kasi dalawa yun eh. May De Jesus, may De Guzman. 7-point Porac lead. Right down the middle. Corner flip. De Guzman. 3. Yes! Lead is down to 4. 2:17. Pressure from the backcourt. De Jesus steals it for Angeles. He will drive down to the hole. There's going to be an offensive foul. Basket will not count. It's going to be number 24 will be called for defensive foul. One of the smallest guys on the floor for Angeles. Intercepted by Laquindano. Laid it in. Porac sues for time. Their lead of 6 or the lead of 8 is suddenly evaporated. Two minutes and 6 in the first. Suddenly, Angeles stormed back within 6-point cluster. The lead once stood at 8, now chops down to 2. 21-19, 2 minutes remaining in the first. Long 3. Alley-oop. Why not? Canlas scores. 4-point edge. Minute and 42. Touch passing. Open shot from the corner. Didn't get it. Offensive rebound. The fall away. Goes glass. De Guzman. 1:25. We have a foul on the backcourt. And the coaching staff of Angeles is so animated that why are you going to foul when you pressure? You don't foul unless if it's necessary. Again, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. And yes, as a promise, I'm not going to give you the games for Sinag Liga Asia at 2 p.m. for the quarterfinal round 1. This is for bracket A. First game at 2, it's Mapua 521 Training versus GDL Construction. 4 p.m. it's going to be VPD Training versus Ball Up Athletics. 6 p.m. it's going to be IGT Warriors versus Taytay J Project. And 8 p.m. at main game, it's going to be Malos Republic versus Bayabas Kennel Leap. All games will be at Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page, and it will be live at the One Arena in Cainta, Rizal. 25-21, the lead is 4 for Porac. 119 at the first. 10 to shoot. Down to 7. He's open, De Guzman. Inside track. Draws a foul. He will take 2 shots. You know, De Guzman is very, napakatapang tong batang to. Kahit malaki sasalubong sa kanya, he will take it strong to the hoop. This slow-mo shows you why. Look at that. He is fearless. He had a good form but kulang sa lobo. His shot is slightly sharply angled. Split. 3-point game. Can they chop it down? Missed shot by De Guzman underneath. 53 seconds. Gigante is now a markman. Driving play, nowhere to be found, but there's a tap. 45.8 seconds for Porac. And Angeles on this quarter. 10 to shoot. Batted away by Tambol. Pitch, the catch, the drop, and the bucket by De Guzman. 1-point game, 30 seconds. The other Gigante. It's the Gigante brothers now playing at each other at the same time. The big Gigante, number 0, is a defender. The number 50 Gigante is the one had the winning basket against Lubao 2 months ago. And since Angeles in the penalty situation, the big Gigante will take 2 shots. 2-point cushion. 26, 24. 26.3 seconds in the first. Rebound by Porac. 21 seconds, 3-pointer. Angeles will write the last sentence, but not without the foul on Kapulong. That will be penalty situation. It looks like the contact lens of one player parang nawala. Okay lang ba? So he will be partly substituted. Yeah, Baku's contact lens has lost. Pag may mga ganyan, no? Pagka ganon, lalaglag no? Laglag yung contact lens no? Alam mo, nung bata ako, yung una ko nakikita ang ganyan nalalaglang ng contact lens sa basketball si Lamont Strotters, yung San Miguel, 96. Alam ni Alex yan. Now, back to business. Angeles City, you're just a basket away to tying this game. Take a look at this last bit of action. Ito yung nagkagirian. Ayun! Kapanggaan silang dalawa, no? Yun, nalaglag yung contact lens. And Lagban, na big guy, connects on the first free throw. He can tie the game. Nope. Last shot time for Porac. High pass. Gigante was fouled. And Balvaria is in foul trouble early. That's 3 fouls on Balvaria. Oh. So he needs to be replaced immediately. He might be back in the third quarter. Gigante still scoreless. Looking for his first point of the ball game. 11.7. He missed both. 10 seconds. Here's Angeles team. The drop. Lagman was fouled. It's a first personal on Gigante. Tie game at 26. Three point 3.5 seconds. Tie. It is a lane violation. Free throw violation. Look at the bench. Look at the bench of Angeles. They're really emotionally immersed. 1.8 seconds to go. Halos catch and shoot na to. Bad pass. And that should do it. First quarter ends. Tied game at 26. We shall take a look at some highlights of this quarter of what has been a running and physical first quarter with a dead even count at 26. Take a look at some of the highlights. Here's one. That's a getaway. The other one, it's an alley-oop finish. And for Porac, it's a nice passing play that produced a basket. And one more. It's a three-point foul. Supposed to be, but there is a cleanup. Those are the highlights. Second quarter coming up in a moment. Second quarter is underway. Let's review the lineups for Angeles. We have Tumbal who hit a three. We have Ke. We have Lagman, De Jesus, De Guzman. For Porac, we have Gigante. The other Gigante, number 0. Canlas. Let's see the other two players. That's Perez and Capulong. Those are the fives of the both squads. Good afternoon. Mayat patkat panapon kayo mga kabalen. My name is Ryan Paro. As we see Canlas scoring for Porac. We're coming to you live for the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Continuing coverage of Delta Cup powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Oh, look at that pass! How he defined that against the three defenders of Porac. Give and go play. Beautiful. Minute gone by in this second. Ke brings it down for Angeles. De Guzman. Back to Ke. Side step. It's going to be out of bounds. .845. And we have some mad scramble. It's an 8-second backcourt violation. Good call by referee Martin Escalambre. .840 to go. Is Tumbal. Bounce pass intercepted. Ito na ang Porac. 3-on-1 break. Gigante might get his first field goal. No, he will take 2 free throws. Sayang. On the last trip, wala siya naipasok na free throw. Medyo malamig ngayon si Gigante ngayong araw na to. Take a look at this replay. 3-on-1 situation. Good pass. Gigante takes flight. Yun lang. Hindi naipasok. Gigante still looking for his first point. One more free throw for Gigante. Nothing. Out of bounds. And some substitutions on the floor. Some pressure from the backcourt. Layup is good. So that's the big Gigante who's scoring. Instead yung kanyang kakampi na mas maliit sa kanya. So he's still looking for that very first elusive field goal. The reverse. Oh, great move. Great move. Closely fought counter. 33-32. Angeles. The spin by Gigante. Traveling. (33-32). Okay. Uy, meron tayong viewer from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Si Labiksa, who's running a triathlon there. Oh, speaking of taking flight, De Jesus with a deuce. 7:33. It's a three-point edge. And we have a whistle. We have a foul downstairs. (7:25) in the second quarter. So, free throws now for Porac. Pero meron tayong substitutions on the floor. Balik na si Rodriguez after a brief rest. He's not been scoring, but it's orchestrating the team, at least at this point. So meron tayong I think dito challenge from the coaching staff, or maybe checking some statistics from the table official. While we're waiting for that, isa pang birthday ngayon dahil yung isang Philippine team natin di ba magpa-participate sa Dubai Championships at the end of this month. Yung founder ng Strong Group Athletics, yung Strong Group Corporation, Mr. Frank Lau, the owner, the founder, is his birthday today. Happy birthday, Sir Frank Lau. Yung isa sa mga kasama natin dati sa Sinagliga, si former courtside reporter Marian Suano, is a part of the Strong Group Mining Corporation Management. Ang kanyang bossing nagpapabate, happy birthday, Sir Frank Lau. So, daming birthday nga na to Star-studded ang birthday. Kanina, Meneses. Si Ramon lang. Ngayon, Frank Lau. Bigatin. At kanina, nandito pa si Mayor Junte Tangco. Alright, we're still waiting for some clarification from the coaching staff of Angeles. Again, the score stands at 35-32. Angeles in the lead by 3 points after trailing early in the first quarter by 10. Sige, magbati tayo sa Facebook habang naghihintay pa tayo. Shoutout, sabi ni Paul Francis Buwan. Shoutout from UAE. Sabi ko na sa iyo Angelo Antoco, Paul Atienza, Aaron Zaldivar Soberano. Ayan, sabi ni Paul Buwan. Shoutout kay EJ Lino. John Ventura, nagpapa-shoutout si Dave Tamayo. Ayan, sabi ni Aaron Zaldivar Soberano, Papa Lube Dan Kit de Comet Mu. Yun. Okay. The coaching staff still have some clarifications. And our referees now are talking to our Commissioner Leis for some discussions about this very technical matter. But once they ironed out, they gonna resume the action. Siguro ang nagkakaproblema dito yung sa lineup. So, habang naghihintay tayo ng desisyon, magbabalik muna tayo. We'll pause for a break. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back sa ating broadcast. Tatuloy tayo sa free throws. Because of this delay, so the coaching staff of Angeles was given a warning for delay of the game. Si Gilbert Pitt Ali, kapabate, yung Game Grounds Sports Movement. Shout out. Again, shout out sa Game Grounds Sports Movement, Gilbert Pitt Ali. Tagal tayo din nakita. Hopefully, we could be back. And of course, sa ating isa pang sa production team sa kabilang liga, also there, Derek Alvin in Cabanatuan City for games today of the finals of the NYBL Nueva Ecija. 7:17 remaining. Here's Rodriguez with the dipsy-do! Ayan, nagpapasabi si Gilbert. Follow there and share the Game Ground Sports Movement. Hopefully you can join other basketball leagues. 35-34. 3 minutes gone by. Medyo mahaba ang ating ball game because of some delays. 3-point shot. Wala. Rodriguez with the trifecta. No soak. Offensive rebound for the big guy. Wala. Tip in. Ayaw. Grappling for the ball. Pulling up. No. Mako was hacked. But Cruz nonetheless takes it matters to his own hands. This shows his tenacity. Two-man substitution for Angeles. And 3-point play opportunity. Well, we have a foul. There's going to be a foul. Mako will be called for his third personal. Nako. Isa na naman foul trouble na naman. 3 fouls na si Mako. So he needs to be sit down in this remainder of the first half. 10 seconds to shoot. The lob. Rodriguez from the corner. Here's the shot. Serrano pushed Pineda out of the comfort zone, and Serrano will be called for the foul. Ayun, pinapabati ko rin yung isang coach reporters sa Nueva Ecija, also doing the broadcast there, Alia Sunien, Miss Cabanatuan last year. And 3-point bomb, no explosion for Henson. Partially deflected by Serrano. Rodriguez. It's a 3-point basket. Sorry, it's not Rodriguez, it's Martinez. 30-36. Yan si Rodriguez. Swift retaliation. It is 38 all. Fourth deadlock. Lakindanom still in the backcourt. Almost an 8-second violation. The ball is tapped. Two players down. I think they bang heads to each other. It's gonna be a halt in play. Nagkabanggaan sila. I think it hit the forearm of each other in a quick collision because both of them diving for the ball, but they ended up tangling each other. So siguro papahingayin muna yan ng head coach ng Porac. Tingnan natin yung nangyaring girian. Ito yung loose ball. Boom! Oh! Nagkatamaan sila ng kamay. That's quick. Rodriguez run out of space. And here's Pineda for the gimme. 5.5 minutes. Love. Vasquez. Home run. 42-40. We're seeing a little bit of open court basketball for both squads. Medyo tumaas na po ang scoring. And we're still, the first half is still not yet over. They're both of them scoring 40 points. That's a good sign. Running shot, no good. Three-pointer. Wala. Putback, ayaw. Takbo na ngayon ng Porac. Sidestep by Vasquez. Rodriguez score. Oh, cannot consummate. Still won't bite on the third try. Oh, how tough. Those misses, niluluwa lang. (42-40). 4:47 left, second period. Estabilia with a cross. Finger roll didn't work. Slide tap, Lakindanom. 8 to shoot. One-handed shot, long. Long way to go, 4:24. That's a three. Ten on the shot. Rodriguez slides down the middle, clobbered. He will take two shots. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Slice down the middle. Ayun. Foul talaga si Lakindanom. Only the first foul on Lakindanom. 4 minutes and 6. Just in case may ma-injure na player or something happens, nakastanday po ang ating mga medics from Pampanga Regional Disaster and Risk Management Office. Yan. Salamat, sir. Salamat po. Rodriguez is the second leading scorer of that win against Lubao. But against San Simon, he's only limited to 6 points. So talagang kitang-kita mo gusto makabawi si Rodriguez sa scoring. But so far, he has 4 points. He needs more production. Or rather, 6 points pala. 3 figures na si Rodriguez. 2 of them in the second quarter, only 1 in the first. And unproductive thrust there for Angeles as they turn, or for Porac as they turn the ball over. Another case of traveling. .350 remaining. Second quarter. Bad pass again. Rojas overshoots and he's down. He's down hard. Look at that. It's a hacking foul. Important free throws. The lead is 3 for Angeles. The lead is 4, 44-40. 3:43 remaining sa ating first half. Both these teams are evenly matched. Inside track, that's too much for Canlas. And it's an obvious offensive foul. And Jesus apologizes to the coaching staff of that boo-boo. That will be second personal foul for Rojas. Or rather, De Jesus, I'm sorry. It's a 4-point Angeles lead. 3.5 minutes remaining in the first. And Rodriguez will be called for traveling. Natatawa na lang yung mga players pag sinasabi ko sa broadcast yun eh. Traveling. 44-40. Estabilio. 15 to shoot. 3-pointer from the corner. No. Rebound. There's a foul. There's a foul. This is only the 13th foul for Porac. Now 14 fouls. So all the fouls forthcoming will be free throws for the defended party. Shot will work. It's a 3-pointer for Angeles. Vasquez inside track. Great assist by Rodriguez. Last 3-pointer hit by Rojas. 2 minutes and 49 in the first half of action. General shot clock. Ross for 3. No, he will go inside. Jumper is no good. Rebound de Jesus. Cross court to Rojas. Drives. Sidestep. Jumper from the corner. He gets it to go. Last basket by Martinez. Martinez anticipated bad pass. The bounce pass to a cutter. And the lead is 9 for Angeles. Estabilio mounting a full-scale comeback. And now they have a 9-point cluster. We have a timeout after this. Slovo. All right, our Follow Director also greeting Happy Fiesta for the devotees of Santo Niño across the country, Pandacan, Cebu, even in Davao and all across the country as we see Estabilio's 3-point play opportunity. Siyempre, kung merong Fiesta ng Santo Niño, I think last month I attended what we call the Fiesta ng Diyos. So, talagang Fiesta ang Fiesta. And speaking of Fiesta, this fast break of Estabilio is in festive mood. And Estabilio completes a 3-point play opportunity. Talagang pag alam mong piyesta, talagang ganado lahat. Hindi lang puro kain. Siyempre, iba dyan yung gawang mabuti, no? Look at this pass! Under 2 minutes remaining, Angeles making headway after a deadlock first quarter. They have a 10-point cushion. Make that 13! 3-point artillery is in sync for Angeles. Inside track. Their devil drive didn't pay off for the white shirts. And once again, Estabilio is unmolested. (59-44). What has happened to the transition defense of Porac? Their sticky defense and the offensive playmaking. Oy! Tinamaan yung laptop. Tinamaan ng... A minute remaining in the first half. Okay lang ba kayo dyan, Direk? Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Cross court. Rojas misses. The big guy swatted. 10 to shoot. Estabilio running amok in the first half. Wants to clear out. Estabilio exploit the mismatch. The drop off. Intercepted. 35 takes the lob and the bucket. Timeout by Angeles. We'll be right back. It is a 59-44 count. Last 31.4 seconds after the timeout. Angeles up by 13 points. From the outside. Almost a turnover. It will stay with the red shirts with just 13 seconds on the shot clock. Important inbound here for Angeles to have a cushion going to the second half. Estabilio on the hot. Martinez getting away, misses. Putback is there. 10 seconds to go. Last shot time for Porac. They're down by 15. 4 seconds. Tumangi was clipped by Rojas. Tumangi scored 5 points in the first. Second quarter, nothing. He was silenced by this Angeles 5. And Tumangi still sour in the second. Let's see that again. Uy! Hindi naman sinasadya yun eh. Pagka-foul, boom! Tinamahan sa mukha. 2 seconds to go. 2.6. Split. Bato na lang to. Nagawan, Tumangi, lets it fly! No! Dapat tumunog na yon eh. Medyo nahuli yung buzzer. Kasi only 2.6 seconds eh, nahuli yung pagpindot. Anyway, the first half is over. Angeles 61-47 Porac. We'll have the halftime highlights and highlights. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. 61-47, Angeles with a second quarter onslaught. Let's show you some of the first half highlights on why Angeles had a second quarter comeback. We started the first quarter tied at 26, and here are some highlights. Rodriguez started off well, and then meron tayong passing play dito na Angeles. Look at that. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ang ganda ng pasa. Lagman with a great assist. Sidestep move. And Jesus throws it up and in. Sa Porac, it's magaling Rodriguez and Vasquez. Pero Vasquez medyo kinulang sa second quarter. He had a good account of himself in the first quarter. And of course, Canlas scoring the basket. Remember, Gigante is still nothing in this ball game. Take a look at the scores for both teams. Tubangi for Porac has 12. Rodriguez and Vasquez are tied at 8. Pero sa Angeles, is that Estalilla or Estabillo? We're gonna check that, but he has 13 points. Yan yung jersey number 22. De Jesus with 8, De Guzman with 7. So after a 35-point second quarter for Angeles, can they continue? We'll find out in a minute to start the second half. Okay, we're about to start the third quarter. So Estalilla, starting together with Jesus, Lagman. We also have number 19, number 7 player for Angeles. We're going to check their jerseys or their names. For Porac, we have Cruz, Gigante, Tubangi, Rodriguez, and also number 72 player Vasquez as we start the third quarter action. A missed shot by Tubangi. There's going to be a push. Important thing here for Porac is to not panic, because they always panic when Angeles score in the fast break. On the other hand, when Angeles relax, doon sila papatay ng Porac sa fast break finish. At aminado sila, itong Porac is a good shooter. Ngayon lang, they are heat check because matagal na sila hindi nakalaro. And we have a finish by Porac to start the third. It's now 61-49. This is just a 12-point lead, but look at Lagman, swift retaliation. Lagman's average only 4 points. Now he has 8 points. So breakout game ito. Nice drop. Gigante. Hindi nila papapormahin si Gigante. They know he is a scoring machine. You see that on the last win by Porac against Lubao on November 5. He hit that game-winning 3. Believe it or not, Gigante scored his first point of the ball game. Alam niyo, sa basketball, maraming nangyayaring ganyan. Sa PBA Finals, nangyari ng ganyan. Walang punto si Alvin Patrimonio in the first. But in the second half, he exploded with 29. Ganon din sa Asian Games noong 1990, yung PSL Commissioner ngayon si Alan Kaidig scored nothing, but on the second half he scored 21 points or 34 points. And here it comes, Gigante. 3 puntos na. Let's see, the sleeping giant can wake up here in the second half. The lead is down to 11. And Vasquez, or rather Lagman, he has 10 points. Only averaging 4 points a game. The lob to Gigante. Anticipated. 3-on-2 break. That basket will not count for Estalilla because he was called for traveling. And Porac will be called warning for improper bench decorum. So pareho na sila. Pareho na sila ng Angeles. Both of them slapped within proper bench decorum. This game is emotionally immersed. Kitang-kita. Almost 2 minutes gone by. Gigante for 3. 6 points for Gigante in his third. The sleeping giants slowly awaking. Or I should say, the sleeping giants slowly waking up. Maling tense ng 54-65. 7:57 remaining. 15 seconds na lamang sa shot clock ng Angeles. Estalilla, the leading scorer. Here's De Guzman, Mintis. Rebound. Rodriguez with a catch. Rodriguez draws a foul. And he's hurt. He is hurt. That's a hard foul. And the referees, we're going to consult our instant replay system direct. Let's review the last bit of action in slow-mo. Let's use the camera dun sa baseline camera natin. Let's review the replay. Okay, isa pa direct. Isa ano naman dun sa camera sa baba. The coaching staff is not allowed for review, only the referees. Isa pang replay doon naman sa baseline baseline camera. Let's review it. Wala daw. O sige, front camera isa pang review. Okay, let's slow down. Oh, clearly. C2 probably. Okay. Okay, can we have one more? Can we have one more replay for that? One more replay direct requested by our reps. All right, let's slow down. Let's slow down on this. Slow down. It's the foul. All right, sportsmanlike foul. So it's going to be 2 free throws plus possession, and Rodriguez will take 2. Thank you, direct. That's very clear. Rodriguez misses. So Porac will get the possession because of that sportsmanlike foul. It's our technical director, Jetro Miguel. He makes the second. And the possession will be Porac, 14 on the shot clock. The lead is down to 10. 55-65. 7 minutes and 42 remaining. Gigante has 6 points. All in this quarter. 5 to shoot. You need to put it up. Tobangi knows the clock. 1 second. I don't think so. It's a shot clock violation. So they squandered that opportunity. Here we go. Now Angeles needs to be cautious. They know that Porac is a rhythm team. But there's going to be a foul against Tumangi. And that's going to be his third personal foul. Yun, kinas ni Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez. One of our table officials. Alley play to perfection. De Jesus, high in the sky again. Alam nyo, sa Angeles, ang hirap mamili ng best player. Ang daming standout dito. Very difficult to find. Crossover by Tumangi. Remember, Estalilla, the leading scorer, will need to sit on the bench because of the unsportsman, or nandiyan pa rin siya rather. And it's going to be a foul once more on Tumangi. That will be sport. One more, he will be out. He will be out of the game permanently. And the coaching staff dispatch A player who will replace Tumangi. That's Mako. So the Mako brothers, magkabilang kupunan, no? Yung isa sa ano, no? Porac, yung isa sa Angeles, ha? Mako brothers are on a different teams. I haven't seen that for a while. There's Sus from the corner, right in front of me. In and out on this three. Put back, in vain. Third effort, rejected. Yan tinatawag na umbrella tapal. Yung si Cruz, no? Umbrella sapal yun. Ala Philip Cesar. Hinawakan. Yes, holding foul ni Vasquez. It's a foul on number 22. Yan, inihista na ni Totoy. Only the first foul on Vasquez. From the inbound. Oh, nicely done. Lagman. Look at this. Breakout game. 12 points for Lagman. Bad pass. Malamig pa sa bench si Mako eh. Kapapasok lang eh. 6:05 remaining in the third. Frontal assault to the basket is Talilia, was hacked in the air by Vasquez. Ayan na. Second personal ni Vasquez. Foul on number 22. Second free throw. Wala. Lane violation. Lagman entered the shaded lane too soon. 6 minutes remaining. It's a 14-point lead for Angeles. They really want to shackle Porac because they know Porac is a very, very strong team. Porac leaves under pressure, but if they are far behind, it's difficult for them to come back. Sidestep by Vasquez. Didn't score. Rebound Cruz. Naagawan. Here's Angeles. Ball is loose. Grappled. Shackled. De Guzman finds an opening. Gigante. Bounce pass. Vasquez drives. Lost it. Estalilla can't catch it. Boom. The lead is 16 now for Angeles, 55-71. Cruz inside. Ayaw. Tip in, yes, Vasquez. 14 points. 71-57. That's the Angeles lead. They're going to take care of that basketball. Inside pass, Lagman. Pump fakes. The release by Lagman. Short. Rebound, Rodriguez. Tumatakbo ang Porac. Rodriguez start a step. There's going to be a foul by what? Estalilla? Yes. There's substitution now. Upo muna si Lagman. On the shot. Another big guy will check in. Yan, kasing size ko yan. Yan si De Luna. Sing laki ko. Gigante. Tumira. Wala. Come on, get the rebound. Ako, wala. Ganyan talaga. Pag wala ka pa sa shape, hindi mo makukuha. Estalilla, 3 fakes. He gets it. 73-57. He's now the leading scorer for Angeles. He's one of the prime candidates for the best player honors with a superb performance, but he gives up and preempted foul from the backcourt. Let's see this. 1 fake, 2 fakes. Smartly done by Estalilla. And Estalilla, on the other hand, He gives up a foul. His second personal. 73-57. So yung ano pala, yung Anspo foul, ibang player pala yun. Hindi si Estalil ang tinawagan kanina na Anspo. Here it comes. Fast break for Angeles. Foul given up. Foul on number 16. Tingnan natin yung fast break attempt na yon. Ayun, hinarangan. It's gonna be a blocking foul. That will be the second personal foul. Free throws. 16-point game. Nung halftime ang score natin 47-61. Angeles maintained that lead ever since. And lumabas ang bola para kay Martinez. Gigante has a chance to score more free throws. Remember, Gigante is scoreless in the first half. But in this quarter, he has 6. He can add into it. Remember also that Gigante missed 0 of 4 in the first half for free throws. And he continues to do so with 5 misses. So medyo off night po si Gigante, who is averaging 15 points per game. Make that 7. Porac 58, Angeles 73. Yun ang missing link sa opensa ng Porac is Gigante. 7 points pa lamang. Si Rodriguez ang nagdadala sa opensa ng Porac. Here's the drive, the draw, the fake. Oy! Second effort is there. Buti na lang, Lakindanom. The lead is 17. Presses on. Rodriguez. Bang by Lakindanom. It's going to be a foul on Lakindanom. And Lakindanom now is in foul trouble with 4 personal fouls. 4 na ang foul ni Lakindanom. Upo muna siya. So it's going to be free throw time for Rodriguez. Both teams in penalty situation. So medyo mahaba po ang ating third quarter. So dahil mahaba ang third quarter, every free throw, I'll try to squeak in some greetings from you in this juncture of the game. So we have John Mariari, France Big Spain, Kai de la Cruz. So foul on the other end. So it's a second personal foul ng number 18 ng Porac. So salamat sa nang manonood ngayon sa PIO and also sa Sinag Liga Asia. Two free throws miss. The lead is 18. 3.5 minutes in the third. Another foul. Naku. Ow, 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 ow. Sakit sa tiyan. But Mako will sacrifice that. And Mako will call for his 4th personal. So 2 players na ng red shirts ng Angeles na may foul trouble. Yan, isa dyan na si Mako. Like, take a look at this. Binangga. Pero napuruan sa solar plexus. Aray. Aray ko. Aray sa tagiliran. Rodriguez making the first of 2 free throws. So they're gonna sacrifice Mako at this point. Split. Estalilia running, gunning, and almost scoring. He will take 2. Let's see that again in replay. This last drive. Ayun, foul si Gigante. And that will be the second personal on Gigante. First free throw is good. One more free throw. Estalilla. 7 to shoot. Baseline. So no basket. Traveling. 3:11 remaining. The lead is 18. So babalasan ng tao dito ang coach ng Porac because they can't find the right combination. Kumbaga sa vault naghahanap sila ng combo para mabuksan. Ball batted away. And mariretain pa rin sa Porac ang bola. So again, nung first quarter, tabla tayo. 26 in the first half. It's a 14-point edge. 61-47. Now it's an 18-point lead. So the scoring of Angeles is so amazing. They already got 77 points. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa third quarter. Ito, madadagdagan na naman. The big guy can shoot 3. That's Mako. 80 points for Angeles. Surprisingly. And there's a foul underneath. That has been the story of Angeles. They're shooting better from the field as compared to Porac. Second personal foul on number 18. Hands on. Ocampo. Nagkulang sa lakas. Air ball on his first attempt. Remember, yesterday, nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang air ball. This time, he made sure. It's a split. 80-60. 20 puntos ang abante ng Angeles. Mako. Team ball. 3. Rebound Kapulong. Here's the one. Left-handed. Yes. Kinaliwa, no? So, the two Makos, ha? Yung isang Mako, naka-tres. Yung kapatid niya Mako sa kabila. The Mako brothers playing at the same time on a different team. Mako overcooks that 3 ball. Kapulong. Sidestep. Swatted. Swatted away. Tingnan natin itong tapal. Look at this. Erased. Aray. Tinamahan din. Here comes fast break. Team ball can finish. Yes, he does. Under 2 minutes remaining. The lead is 20. 82 to 62. Rodriguez on the left wing. Spins, turns. There's a foul. Daming fouls ngayon third quarter. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba. Rodriguez will shoot 2 free throws. The first is good. One more free throw for Rodriguez. A minute and a half remaining in the third. Split. Red shirts on the one. Almost a backcourt violation. Team ball is open. Touch passing. No. The big guy step on the line out of bounds. Approaching 1 minute in this third quarter. 83-62. Kapulong fires off the mark. Red shirts looking for the one. Martinez is ahead. Against 2 defenders. Tight squeeze inside. Pays off. 50 seconds remaining. Angeles looking good. 21 na ang abante. The dish off inside. And the rejection. White shirt still has it with 7 to shoot. Rodriguez was fouled. Don't forget, coming up next, after this game, it's going to be Santa Rita versus Mexico. Santa Rita, this will be their first game since last month. For Mexico, they have a big win last time. Let's see if they can continue to do the win. Apalit already on a 3-game winning streak. They won earlier. They won yesterday. Let's see kung ganun din na mangyayari sa Mexico mamaya. Rodriguez scores. The lead is 20. 84-64. 37 seconds remaining. It has been a dominating performance for Angeles, but that started with a superb Estalilla performance in the first half. And the teammates follow the suit. But that time it's an air ball shot. Mako spots. Can't deliver. Capulon didn't get it. Canlas misses the layup from point blank range. 10 seconds to go. They lost the shoe. And a bucket. Kaninong shoe yan? Yung sa malaking tao. He never mind paying some socks. I will finish the third quarter without a socks. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Valanchad, despite having no shoe, finishes that third quarter in a flurry. Playing defense. How about that? 84-64. Before we pause for a short break, let's have some highlights of the third quarter. It has been an entertaining and dominating performance once again by Angeles. Take a look at this. Started with Lagman. The dish off, the fake, and the conversion. And a follow-up. Lakindanum, the big guys delivering. Some highlights here for Porac. The hang time move by Mako. But still, it's a big 22-point margin, 86-64. That's without the shoe of another big guy. And Mako says, kaninong sapatos to? Magbabalik tayo sa Delta Cup. Well, it's been an entertaining third quarter. Let's see if Angeles can put all smiles. Alam nyo, ang Angeles is a smile city. Siyempre, batiin natin yung mga Angeles alumnus na basketball players, Gabby Espinas and Jason Castro. Tubong Angeles. And also, Black Eyed Peas frontman Apple Diap. What? Tingnan tamaan si Coach Leo doon. Canlas apologizes. My name is Ryan Paro. Papatuloy ang ating coverage ng Delta Cup. Live na live po tayo sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. And so far, take a look at the scoring as we see another basket for Angeles. First quarter, tabla tayo sa 26. Second quarter, Porac 47, Angeles 61. We end the third quarter, Porac 64, Angeles 86. So in between quarters, take a look at this. In between quarters, Angeles, second quarter 25. Third quarter, 25. So, 50 points ang kanilang na-score. Grabe. What a scoring spree by Angeles. At nagdagdagan pa yan with another basket. They now have 90-64. And they're looking good for another wire-to-wire win for Angeles. Kabinet gone by sa ating fourth quarter, mga kaibigan ng Angeles. Namumukod tanging kupunan na talagang kahit malalakas na kupunan ay tinatambakan. Look at this, Mako sidestep. No beauty, but he will take two as a consolation. With another foul given up by Porac. Alright, mga kaibigan, tatawag ang timeout ng coach ng Porac dahil bounce sila. 90-64. Alright, 2 free throws ang i-award para sa Angeles as a result of the foul. Mako makes the first free throw. One more free throw. Nope. Rebound by Porac. The score 91-64. Rodriguez 3. Got it. 8:37 remaining sa ating ating venue announcer, si Marilyn Tiburcio. Si Ma'am Molins. Bad pass. Vasquez. So, tingnan natin kung makakakarun dito ang Porac. Pero napigilan niya ni Timbol. It's gonna be a foul. Waiting to shoot for the Wine Shirts. Timbol steals it. Fast break, 2-on-1, hand off, nice pass. Lacindalo will score. It has been an Angeles ball game in full display. They completely outrun and outgun Porac today. And even the shooting of Porac, medyo umiimpid. 26 ang abante. Whoops! Muntik na out of bounds yun, ha? They keep the ball movement. Lacindalom 3. Kaboom! 96 points for Angeles. Can they continue their 25-point output? On the last 2 quarters, they had been so successful in doing that. And Timbol, look at the hustle of this guy. Well, if in case this game for Angeles will be over, it's so obvious that the guy that started it all in the second quarter run, and they never look back, is this. He has been a monster. Scoring and rebounding. He might be a judge as the best player of the ball game. He started it all in the first half. And so far, this guy will be awarded later on today. With his impending win for Angeles, they have a 29-point lead, 67-96, 7:18 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Basket scores by a reverse. So if they continue to trend to 30-40, well, pwede na natin sabihin. O sige, pwede na natin sabihin sa ngayon pa lang, with 7 minutes remaining. This game for Angeles is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. It's cooling. The bottle is getting hard. Jello's jiggling. And we have an offensive foul against Angeles. And Mako, that's it for him. Five fouls for Mako. And the coaching staff have 1 minute. Ample time, 1 minute to replace Mako, who is fouled out of the game. And eto na. The top scorer for this ball game, Estalilla, 22 points. It's 96-69. Dapat pahinga niya si Estalilla, pero na-foul out si Mako. So kailangan niyang para ano na yan sa finishing touches. And look at this. A pitch. Team ball with a great catch, with a great finish. (98-69). Triple V. Yes. Finally hitting the target. So kung kailan fourth quarter, ngayon ay papasok ang tres ng Porac. That's back-to-back threes. Here's Ke. Ke wisely. Driving, sidestep, drawing the defense. Nandun si Estalilla to the rescue. He had the shield, the rebound. Lacindalom. The pitch, that's too much. Rodriguez can catch it. He cannot catch it. With 6 minutes remaining. Angeles is on the verge of winning this one. And Porac, if they lose, they will be down 1 win, 2 loss. Missed shot by Timbol. Pitch. Catch. Vasquez, score. Okay, sabi ng, teka muna. Ba't natin pinay-score ng Porac ng 6 straight points? Time out muna tayo. Lamang tayo ng 24. Huwag tayong magpanik. We'll be right back. $98-74 is our tally with 5 minutes and 48 remaining. Very important here. Wag mag-relax ang Angeles. They need to score at least 10 more and this game is over. Mini run there by Porac, 6-0. Ito na si Estalilla, the stabilizer. He had a good idea in mind. Sumobra lang kanyang reverse. And is that a continuation? Porac never gives up. Tumangi with a katangi-tangi shot. Lead is down to 22. He get the ball back. Pass is intended. Batted away. Behind the back. Tumangi. Drop up. Foul. 2 free throws. Our last misses. Last splits. .5:15 left in the fourth and final quarter. All Angeles needs to do is to score at least 10 and this game is done. Stepping. From 98-67, Porac has scored 10 unanswered points in a span of 3 minutes. Tumangi. The drop. It's a turnover. Here's the drive. Baseline. Ocampo intercepts that pass. Rodriguez. Tight squeeze inside. Didn't pay off. Lost it. Estalilla can go for the finishing kick. Why not? Estalilla. The stabilizer for the cause of Angeles. Reached the century hurdle first. And they have a 23-point bubble. And slowly the turnovers compounding the woes. And slowly the time for Porac to come back slowly runs out of commission. And so far the biggest story for Angeles is their second quarter explosion. If we're going to take a look at the scoring, second quarter 25 points. Sorry, 35 points. Correction. 35 points for Angeles. From 26 points, they have 61 in the second at the end of the second quarter. 35-point output. And on the third quarter, they have 25. And now they have just 14. But nonetheless, this game is almost out of reach for Porac to come back. And this will be the finishing kick. Martinez will score. And one. So, that presence of Estalilla on that part of the fourth wherein nag-timeout si head coach ng Angeles. Nilagay muli si Estalilla. He scored at one basket, and after that, Porac has missed the last 4 shots. And they have 2 turnovers. Rodriguez misses from 3-point region. Canlas misses from point-blank range. That takes the cake. This game is over. This game is already out of hands. This game is in the refrigerator for Angeles. So, ang susunod natin lalaban mga kabalen, it is gonna be Mexico versus Santo Tomas. If I'm not mistaken, we'll check that. But before that, we have a timeout. All right. Mexico and Santa Rita will be up next after this game. Or yung former Viva Max artist and model, Rochelle D. Magandang hapon si Rochelle. 102.77. So, final score na lang pinagtatalo dito. 15 to shoot. 10 on the shot clock. And we have a foul. It's a foul on number 21. Free throw time for Gigante, the big guy. Missed shot. The big guy who lost his shoe issued a great pass to De Guzman. Yes. Yan ay si Balantad. Inside play for Gigante. Basket there for Porac. Just garbage points as we wind down to the last 2 minutes of this broadcast. Muli, batiin ko lang si Rachel D. Current model. Hello sa iyo, magandang hapon. From Santa Rosa, Laguna, nanonood. Oh, meron tayo foul. As we approach the last 2 minutes, again, our next game is going to be Santa Rita versus Mexico. And second casualty in the game, si Martinez ay magkakaroon ng 5 fouls. $105 points for Angeles so far. Ngayong Enero, sila ang may pinakamalaking output. 105 points. Based on the score from the yesterday's coverage, ang pinakamalaki in Mexico, 108. So they can beat that score. We're down to the last 2 minutes of this basketball game. It's going to be a jump ball. Jump ball, ang bola mananatili sa Porac. Yun, agawang buko. Valoria, nakahiga na. Yung pinakita sa replay. 10-second shot clock. Jump shot by Perez. Second appearance for him. And this game is already settled. So our best player of the ball game is going to be Estalilla. I'll interview him after this match. Minute and 42. Valoria misses. And it's going to be a foul. So, penalty na po ang Angeles. Kapulong. Free throw. Yes. 106-80. A minute and 29 again. If you're listening with Shelby, hello, good afternoon. Team ball in the west of the Angeles City. They are now cruising for the win. So, Valoria with an instant basket. So, mga kaibigan, mga kabalin, nangangalahati na tayo sa broadcast. And we still have 3 more games to go and we're gonna wrap things maybe up later tonight. Then susunod na laban, Mexico versus Santa Rita. So, Angeles can melt and chop the clock down, chew up the clock. They've tied the score of Mexico 108. If they will not score, they're just gonna tie Mexico with most points for 2024 dito sa Delta Cup. And it looks like both teams have already seeded. So they're gonna let the clock expire. The final score, 80 for Porac and 80 for Porac and 108 for the win for Angeles. So, at the best player of the ball game, we'll interview our best player, Estalilla, in the moment. Again, magandang hapon sa iyo, Shelby. So, this is Delta Cup. We're halfway to our broadcast. We'll be right back. Sound check. 1, 2, 3. A wire-to-wire finish, 108-80. So far, Angeles talagang dismantling Porac. Kid Estalilla, our best player of the ball game, he scored 15 points on that second quarter nung nagkaroon sila ng 35 points. Tell me, paano nagkaroon nung tabla tayo sa 26 ng first quarter, umalagawan na kayo at hindi na kayo nakabalik? Hindi nyo na pinaporma yung kalaban?
Yung first quarter kasi parang binigla kami ng kalaban at yung sa second quarter sabi ng coach namin, kami yung mamimigla, kami yung mauuna, kami yung mag-start ng malakas. Yun lang. Kailangan namin mag-focus sa laro, magpadala sa emosyon.
Well, just in case yung mga top teams natin like Mexico, Aparit at San Fernando mag-bring ng A-game, ano pa ang magiging strategy niyo para makakuha kayo o makabingwit kayo ng mga laking panalo sa mga bigating teams natin?
Siguro kailangan namin mag-focus sa training, gawin namin yung best namin, pag-aralan namin kung ano dapat namin i-adjust sa bawat laro namin.
So, Kate, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, meron ko bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan? Yan ang camera.
Binabati ko yung family ko, sa Nisir family, Estalilla family, yung mami ko, yung daddy ko, yung girlfriend ko, si Vivian, si Ate Ike, si Ava, si Riona, si Teo, si Manman, yung System Plus, si Lance, si Iya, si Uno, tsaka yung mga sumusuporta, yung mga Team ECP, yun lang.
Kid Estalilla, mga kaibigan, our best player of the ball game. Congratulations. Coming up next, Santa Rita versus Mexico. We're halfway through the broadcast of Delta Cup this Sunday.